Hello humans, hello Prestashop farms, and hope that you are doing well. Welcome back to the second video of this series on creating a single app using Angular and NgRX. So here we're waiting for some minutes that could people join the party. In case you missed the previous episode, the link to it will be in the description. And let's see who is interested on this. Okay, I just want to do some setup here, the time that people could join. All right. Yo, what's up? We still have no people out there. All right. GZ, hello man, how's it going? Yep, so Jay-Z is here, waiting for other family to join. So we'll be starting in 1 minute or 13 seconds almost. Yep. Okay, let's notify the Discord fam also. Okay, thank you, I'm doing fine. Just a cold days, you know, here. Other thing, I'm doing good. Okay, so here at everyone, we have 4 people here at everyone. Live started. Join the party. And we need that link. So this is the link. Okay, let me see if it's 1080p or not. No, it's not 1080p. There we go. Send it. Why the hell is not 1080p? Powell! Hey Powell! Welcome to the party, buddy. Can I change the quality of the stream to 1080p? Video. Use a custom, bloody hell. To 180. Apply. Okay, good. So let's go ahead and do our things. Welcome to the video again, and in this one we'll be doing some cool stuff. We carry on basically with our application that we created, that for now it looks like nothing, but we have some funny stuff behind the curtain. So we have NgRX and we are calling the API. The last episode we set up the proxy to overcome the course shit that wasted me like, I don't know, like 15 minutes on trying to figure out what is the problem. So in today's episode, here is the plan. So we try to create a product list. We'll be using Angular, Bootstrap, grid components, and we'll be adding a loader. So when you click on get products, we'll be displaying like a spinner or something like that to tell the user that something is happening and we're waiting for something. And we try to do some stuff on the header. The cart component will be simply creating it without doing anything, and the menu will be adding some items to it. Okay, so 2 viewers, whatever. Okay, so thank you for people who are here, Jay-Z and Powell, and let's go. And I hope that people will join during the episode. Okay. So as I said, the very first thing is to create this product component, and to do that I go to simply Bootstrap, and I would like to steal some code from there. So bootstrap.com and go to where to go to example here, and let's pick this pricing. Yeah, why not? Let's go pick this pricing here. Let's go ahead and open and see the page source like everybody do. And this is the block I think I need to have. Oh, there we go. So scroll down. What about inspecting it directly here? It could be an easy mission. Okay, so let's grab this element. Okay, copy, cut element. And do we have already a component? No, we don't have a component called product list. So I'll go ahead and create it. So where am I now? So let's see the websites. Yes. And see the PS shop, see the app, SRC, sorry, app, see the components, and there NgGenerate. Make this bigger here. NgGenerate component. I'll call this product list. Okay. Okay, that's created. Now let's close all this mess here just to make things clear for me. And what about increasing the size to something visible? Hamza. Hello, Hamza. Thank you for joining the party, buddy. All right, let's close all of them and go to product list here, components. So this is the TS. I need this HTML. Inside it, I will simply block all this. And back to the app HTML component, we need to define some routing here. So I'll start by doing the famous router outlet here, and it will be containing all the stuff we need. So we need to define our routes. So go to app modules here, and where we have the routing module, let's jump into that one, and I'll create our very first route. So if you forget, they are basically objects that you define. First of all, the path, how your route will look like. So my path will be products for now, and the component that will be responsible on dealing with the content. So in my case, it will be a product list component, and I hope, there we go. Sometimes I really like this ID. It's quick sometimes, and sometimes it goes stupid. So components, and now we could deal with this routing. So let's go back to my browser here, and I hit products, and whoa, it's working. Well, the latency is basically coming from the fact that I'm loading Bootstrap from a CDN. This is why it does look shitty than it take place. All right, let's carry on with this. So yeah, we can finish the work inside that component. So let's jump into it straight. Product list, and here what we are going to do. So here, when we land into this component, we need to basically dispatch an action that is called get product. That will be intercepted by our effect. The effect will fetch the product from the Prestashop web service, will return another action with that payload containing the list of a product, and here will be basically subscribing to a portion of state called the product. Okay, so it's kind of stupid to say, it's a bit messy, but don't worry, I will explain this step by step. So here I'd like first to start by defining the store. That will be the store, okay, and make sure it's imported from the NgRX store. What else do we need? So here I'd like to define an observable, and that will be products for now, and let's add the $sign to say that this is an observable. So here let's go ahead and define the observable, and it will be of type normally you should create a type called the product, but because product are big objects of name, title, price, en, 13, so etc. So just keep it simple, and I define it to be in any here, and we good. Okay, now let's do this, and inside this product I will get a portion of my state, and this portion will be, if you remembered in the previous episode, we defined my portion of state to be to be product. Okay, so here I'll go back to this little line here, and I will do this dot store dot select, and this select basically will allow me to do this. All right, so that's funny enough, except we have a little error here. No overload match the call, and it seems like this is not the right syntax, so no worries. Let's go NgRX select. Selectors, yes. Okay, we still have 4 people watching. Dot select. So this is how we do select from root, get content, and we do multiply from root. In Geoninate, this store select from root. What is from root? App component from root. Nope. So NgRX select. All right. So what's inside? Come on. Oh no, this is the signature. So select, take a key. Nope, this is not what I'm looking for. Understanding state selector. Select pizzas. Yes, it should work. Select and here. Okay, got the point. We need basically to pass the state here, and we need to pass an a function that will return state dot product. Come on, be smart. Okay, seems like property does not exist on type object. That'll be of type any here. Come on, why the heck is not working? State.pizzas. Thinking about the state. State pizzas, yeah. Product. Store.select store. Wait, shit, I don't want to waste more time on this. How can I select piece of state in component? Where is it? Select, so select from root. Get component. What is this from root? Select store.select, count. Comparison components, something I wish to know before I start deep comparison. All right. Store select from root. But this make no sense. Check counter. Select here. Normally I should do this. Come on. Overload key, never observable. Dot subscribe. What kind of error do we have? Observable gave the following error argument. Stripe is not assignable to parameter of state object. Overload 209 key. Observable never gave the following error argument. Is not assignable to parameter of type never. Never. What is this bloody? Normally you could do state and state dot product. Okay, let's solve the problem. But here I think state, I need to define it to be product interaction. No, Let's go to the product reducer. There we go. Do we have the initial state? Well, it does look like nothing. But here, let's go ahead and create a new interface, and I will export that. Let's say product state interface, and it will equals to an object of type product, and it will be of type object. All right, like this, I can use it interface here. So here, oops, what the heck I'm saying there? It's an interface, not an object. So here, instead of doing nonsense things, I can do this, and this will work because now if I control click, I have a product being completed. All right, so now I'd like to do the following. So what about doing this inside the HTML? So for now, oops, I'll go ahead all the way to the top here and create a row and a call 12. Call 12, okay. And I will display this object. So it's an observable, so we can use the async, but how can I write the vertical? There we go. So async. Okay. Do we have any error? No error on the console. Now, if I do refresh, well, it's look like an object here, so the async may be not really useful. Let's go ahead and dump this to the console. So I'll go ahead and do the following. So just copy this here and this here dot subscribe, and it will be something like data here, and let's log it to the console. So come on, why you do this stupid autocomplete? Console.log, and let's dump the data. All right, semicolon, get rid of that extra f here. And what is inside the console? So we have an object that is containing a product that is empty for now. Okay, what about hitting the get product? So immediately we do see that we have what? We have basically that console log did return this, and let's see what's inside this product. So we have product with all the attributes we needed. But here we are getting a single product. In my case, I would like to fetch all the products from a certain category, for example. So we need to do the following here. So we need to create basically a new action. So let's go to product action, product action. And here we have already get product, update, success, and I will go ahead and duplicate this little one here. And this will be get all products, and we don't need to pass basically any payload except the string. So this is a type. Create an action, and we need to duplicate this also. So here it will become all, product page, all, or get all. And we will need to update this to get all. Okay, so this will be fired once we land into the category. Come on, focus onto this product page. Then it will be intercepted by effects, and the effect will query the Prestashop web services, and it will return another action saying that we have an object. Okay, so I think we need to create success product. Let's duplicate this success all product success loading all. Okay, and so we're intercepting, querying, and returning. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a new action. So this will be get all success, and it will be firing this, come on, success all, and we will need to pass a props here that will be containing basically an object that is called products, and it will be of type object. Nice, except we have little error here. Why? Ah, yeah, sorry, just need to add the parentheses for the method. Okay, now let's set up our things. Let's go back to the product list component, but the TS. Make this to the side here. So when we land on this, I will fire this action. So this dot store dot dispatch, I will be dispatching our action. So the action here will be what? Will be basically get product, not get product, get all product. And don't forget to export all of them here. So here, export this and get success. There you go. So I'll be firing this very first one. So what that thing, boom, just need to import it. Come on, just need to import this first product action. There you go. Fine, come on. And get all product. Const get all product. Why it's not import? There we go. Let's fix it. Semicolon right there. So now let's go ahead and watch that. Hello, the Patr VK. Buddy, yeah, still struggling with your name. But hello, welcome to the party. Let's say our reducer redux and see what is the events that are being fired. So here we do see that we have the very first event, which is get all product, and we could see the action that it's containing only the type with that string. Now we need to back to what? To basically to the effects here, effects product effects. Well, it seems like we have more than one product effects. Anyway, let's get rid of this one. It's empty. Let's delete it. And product effects. There we go. We need this. So here, in addition to load product, I will duplicate this again and I will name it load products with an S. Okay, so this one will be watching actions of type not this exactly. Sorry, not get product, but get product all, or get all products. So once we intercepted this kind of actions, we will call a specific endpoint. And my endpoint here, I think I need to create it. So this is the action. We are get the product. Get product will basically return a single product here. So we go ahead and just duplicate this and call this get all products. We don't need basically to pass any ID here. And why the hell we have all in red? Wait. Cannot find get all product. Wait a second here. So this start here, it doesn't here. Ah, there you go. Sorry, my mistake. Get all product. We don't need, as I said, the ID. And we need to keep all this argy-bargy stuff because yesterday I really struggled with course problem. And we don't need this ID to be there. We only need to pass, yeah, we just need to get rid of this and keep this complement or URL comp that we can get a JSON response. Okay, buddy. So what is the bloody error? Method duplication. Is that there? Okay. Can just get rid of this. There we go. We good. Hello, Coach Ziad. What's up, man? Everything is doing good, I hope. All right, so, okay, we have an error here. We have a bloody error. Why the heck we have load error? Let's say, do we have something in the console? 404. Yes, because I think I forget to remove. Oh, yeah, sorry. Here it must be get all product. This is my case, and here instead of this I will return Yeah, wait, what kind of things I will return here? I will return product action dot what? Come on, let's get into this because I forget some names here. I need to product action string here. Is that correct? And success all. Oh no, sorry. Basically, we need to return success here. The success must be here, success all. And we need basically to create a new error all. So error all, and here error loading all. We need also to create another action for it, but for now let's stick with the success. Let's set up that correctly. Here we don't need this action to be passed. Product, it will be product. Well, it's better to say them products dot product. Well, let's keep things simple here. Products, there we go. Here it must be products with an S. And this should be nice. So let's move back to the browser. No errors there. Okay, so what we have here, we have a product with a product nothing. But let's look at the redux here. We have successful loading and the action look like this. So we have this type and this is the payload and has a product of how much? 80 products, sorry. 18, what the heck I'm saying. So ID 9, 10, ID, bloody hell. What the heck Prestashop is doing? I need the products with all the details. What should I do with IDs? Yeah, this is one of the drawbacks of this API. So let me try to access it directly. Let's say the XHR. Open in a new tab, and just we have simply IDs. This is not enough. Okay, let's say Prestashop web service. Can we request all of the data without the object? Let's get this getting started. And what do we have here? Oh no, we don't give a damn about that. Display full, maybe. Okay, so where is the call? This is it. So let's do this and display equal to full. Wow. Okay, there you go. There we go, buddy. Here we have the ID 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo. It's a heavy object, as you may see here. Look how long this crap is. I think we could pass a limitation limit, display limit. Okay, oops, stop there. So here we have the limit. Could pass a limit of 1 to, let's get only 3 products for now. So limit equals 0 to 2. Oh, it's wrong syntax. It's comma. So here, right limit. Yeah, this is faster to have 2 products only. And there we go. So we need to tweak a bit our call here. So back to the IDE on the service, API service. And the complement I will do here, product. So say product complement, right? So whatever you want to call it, and it will equal to this string. All right. So this product, and especially exclusively for this get all product, we need to add this right here. So this will be this. There we go. Now let's test it and see if that will solve the problem for us. So we have the list of products and we have 1, 2. Great. Okay, now let's move on to intercepting that data. So what we said in our component, the product list component, normally we should be able to see this data. But something seems to be wrong here because I don't see the object being logged to the console. So just wanna display some other data in addition to this console log. So we'll just do the curly braces here. There we go. Console log, product. There we go. And now if we do refresh, what kind of things we have? So we have product with an empty product for now. Now if I, no, wait a second. So basically this went well. All right, so what is missing is that we need to intercept and deal with this, this action. Okay, so headed to our reducer. There we go, and we're going to create a new entry here. So let's duplicate this quick here and paste it. There we go. So the product that we are expecting, or the action that we are expecting here is success. So get all success. We'll be having the state, and we'll be having also the product, and this product, let's type it to be an any, and this will make sure that our product will be spread into this state. Now should normally see that log correctly with our object. So let me just refresh this again here. Okay, so this is the first byte, and we have the state empty, nothing is inside the product, and this is the second one, and we have the product again empty. Why the hell we have that empty? Let's trace our action. So loading successful all state. Sorry, the action here. We have products. Okay, come on. Let's get into this inside the product action. We said it will be of type, it will be products, not product, sorry. So here we must do this and this. Okay. Green, refreshing, console logging. What do we have inside? We have a product and it's still bloody empty. Okay, calling that state. Oops. Is the state being updated or not? So if I look to the state here, I have nothing. This means that something is broken. So the action is product all success, and we have the payload of products. Come on, let's focus on this. So on product success action, get all success. We're returning products. Get all products, get all products. So I'm going to log this here and say reducer. Okay, green. So reducer is getting the product correctly. Type this is the loading all, it's 112. What the heck, I think I'm lost here. So the effect will be dispatching this successful all. Map, okay, success all. Do we have create an action, get all product success? So this is the action we need to listen to. So on success, we'll be having the state, and we have the products here, and this is our product. So what about doing products here simply like this? This should work. So green, and we have product now. It seems like it is working. The only thing that I have a duplication because my object is named products here, and my state is defined to be or to have only product. So to fix this, we simply need to update this one right here and this one right here. But yeah, let's keep it as it is, because the other one is product and this one is a product. So we can add an entry to products here. That will be empty for now. Okay, testing, all green. Now let's go back here and look at this again. So we have a product is empty, products containing products of 2 empty. Wow, array of 2, and our state must be correct too. So where is the redux? There we go. My state of product is empty, products containing another entry with that value. So let's fix this problem of double values, if you can call that. So here, let's do this. There we go. This should solve this bloody problem for us. Okay, so my state will look like this. So we have products, we have 1 and 2, and in the log also we have a products 1 and 2. Good. Now it's time to list these products into our component. So back to product list component.ts, we can first of all get rid of all this console log because it's kind of disturbing me. All right, semicolon right there, and we good. No console log here. Also get rid of this one. Clean. Okay, now we can whip this out, and we don't need also to subscribe to it because we'll be using the async filter to loop through. Is that correct to say? This dispatch. This is here. Okay, this subscribe state. All right, wait a second. I think I will change maybe my approach here. So subscribe, and we will have products, and we will simply assign that product to our observable, and this product will equal to products, and it won't become we should change its type to something other than observable here. So it will be an object like this, because we subscribe it to this observable, and we no more can assign an object to an observable. Okay, so here, let me just move back to my HTML here, and let's flag it with a JSON here. Let's see the data, how it will look like. All green here. No, okay, dispose of a null. Wait a second, what did happen there? I think we need we need to define come on, this object equal to products dot products. Here, let's type it to any here. I'm doing a lot of bad practices, by the way, here. Normally I should create interfaces to fix all these hassles. And what is the problem with my code right now? Now it's green, and let's refresh again just to make sure that everything is fine. There we go. So we have our object being displayed correctly, and we can start doing our for each. Do we have EMG here? Do we have an image? No, we don't. Try to solve that later. No, inside here I will do a for each, so we can whip everything here and keep a single cart. So delete this one, delete this one. There we go. This is not closed anywhere, so let's duplicate this little thing here, and we have the call. So here, where we'll be executing the ng-for statement equal to let a product of products, and let's first of all display the name. So product, come on. So where is it? So product title, I think. Not sure about the name. And this basically will cause a problem because at the beginning we don't have that available, that title available in our object of type object ng4 only support binding iterable such array. Right. ng products of type products. So let me see how these products look like here inside the console. Network and NgRX stuff here. So having 1, 2 products and the state. How my state looks like. After updating that, we're having products of 0 and 1. So here, come on, moving back here. Okay, let's get rid of that. This should solve the problem. Cannot find a differ support object type object ng4 only binding iterable such arrays. Okay, so here we need to change the type to an array. And cannot differ, come on. Wait a second. So here I will say ng if, and if the products dot length is bigger than 0, we display that. Elsewhere we display nothing. And problem solved? Yes, it is. Except we have nothing displayed. What this bloody products looks like. So here products, and let's JSON that. Here we go. Okay, so it's empty. Discuss products, and products. Well, so redundant. Wait. So here he's saying that cannot access that thing. Let's do put products here. This will make sure that I have that object, the correct object. Okay, so now it's empty. Now it contains some lot of data. Okay. But why the hell I don't see my data? Come on. Got product. There we go. It's showing up, but here we need to know what kind of input we need to display. So we have ID. Do we have a name? Manufacturer name. Title. Meta title. Link rewrite. It's a hummingbird something, so we need to find it somewhere to the top. There we go. So name 1, ID, t-shirt. Okay, let's access the name value, name 0 value. Where? So here do name. Sorry, here do 0 dot value. There we go. So object of an object. It's ugly. What is this? Product name. Let's map it to JSON here that we could see what's going on. Oh, yeah, we are missing a curly brace. Here, there we go. So we have the ID and we have the value for the index number 1. So we could do name 0 value. 0 dot value here. We don't need anymore the JSON. So now we should see a correct name. So here hummingbird print whatever and hummingbird printed sweeter. Good. Let's get the price. But the price is a bit Okay, we can access it directly. Price, wholesale, show price. Yeah, let's get the price. So where is the price? Where is the price is defined or displayed here? So let's play on this big element here, 0 something. But I cannot see that thing. There we go. So this is could be the price here. So do product dot price, and what is the MO? Wow, so big. So here we need to create a pipe to split all these zeros, right? So it's not by month, but we need basically to display the currency. So with this, let's keep it. And here, let's go back to see what kind of currency do we have here. So do we have a currency? Is it dollar? Bloody hell. Okay, price, but we don't know what is the currency. Description. Okay, well, the currency is not there. This is bad for web service, you know. Wholesale price. Is that a euro, dollar, whatever? Do we have it? No, we don't know what is the currency. This is bad. Well, here I will improvise and I will do the euro. Okay. So let's see. So we have this long number. Let's do Angular pipe decimal 2. Okay. I think there we go. We have one already. Nice. Okay, how it is written. Just an example. Number 1010. Description. Just give me a good example, but a good example. 315 2727. Just need 2 digit. There we go. No, just a number here. Just need yeah, so let's copy this. The price. Okay. So it's look like nothing. It's 0.23. Is that correct? The price? It's 3. Wait a second. It's 2 only here. Okay, so 23.9. Yeah, which is this one. Good. Good. Okay, so that was the price. Now let's get the description. Meta description. Just need the description. Yes. Okay, moving back to this li. So what about the creating a simple p here? And well, it's inside the ul, which is not a good idea. Let's do a simple p, and I will go ahead and call my product, and here the description. Okay, green. Object, come on, refresh. Is it oh yeah. Okay, we have 1, 2, so we need to access the first one here, and it will be the 0. So basically we need the default language that we could understand or know what kind of description to display, because here we have 2 of them. Yeah, so you need the language. What the heck? Okay, we have another entry here. We need to display the value. Green. And we have a long text. Again, we need another pipe, the HTML pipe. HTML pipe. Is it there somewhere? HTML pipe. Angular. Like strip tags or something like that. Wait. For the date, not the date. TypeScript, HTML. Uppercase, no. Slice pipe, allow HTML return of Angular pipe. Come on. Text. This could be it could be a solution here. Yeah, he created a whole new pipe. Wrap bold. Display HTML special in Angular 2 binding. Inner HTML. Yeah, it's fair enough. This is the best answer. Okay, so here inside these little things, I will equal value. Copy this thing and bind it. Normally this is fine. Yes, it's working fine. So we have the title, the price, the description, and do we have a link? The link rewrite. All right. But we need to know how we can point to it. So here, since it's a web service, we only need the ID. So let's see if we have an ID somewhere here. I suppose it's somewhere to the top. There we go. So here we're going to generate a link to it. So the button here will be, let's say, look or see this product. They see this product. Okay, and it must be an anchor. Okay. Come on, anchor, there you go. This is the text inside, and the anchor will be pointing to what? To product slash product ID. Product.id. Okay, green. Testing, and here look all the way to the left bottom corner, product 1, and we have here product 2. Let's unspec this. So we have product 2 and product 1. So if I click here, then my app will broke because I still do not define that component. All right, how long? 52 minutes. Well, I think that's enough for today. Thank you for watching. If you appreciate this video, please consider leaving a thumb up and subscribing to this channel if you are not. Stay tuned. More content is coming on this series, and peace. Now I need to figure out how can I